Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the retention tape that secures the metallic shield to the battery. Remove the 6 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the base enclosure. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the battery.